Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. This is a quick little video. I have heard from my source that there is a new sunglass company coming out, and it is a disruptive sunglass company. Recently IPO'd a few days ago. It's a Canadian company, so this is not on Robinhood. If you want to get on this, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, Scottrade, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, and Interactive Brokers all will use it. You can use them as a means to buy the stock if you're interested. And so what we're gonna do is I have a little recording of a interview of the CEO and I don't know, like the news broadcaster and of some channel asking questions about this company. And so if you want the ticker symbol is KITS, KITS, KITS. And so we want to know, I wrote this down, and I found this really interesting, and you might find this interesting too, this is what to find out about a company in general. Like, what are the things that you want to look for? And I can hear this over and over and over and over. There's one line, but I'll tell you in a second. So first one is, who is the CEO of the company? And you want to get some background on that person, find out who they are. Did they start PayPal? I don't know, maybe not. What is their leadership like? That is the most crucial part. If you have no leadership, you have no team. You have to have someone to help swim or steer the boat. And what is their plan of growth moving forward? Those are really good questions to ask somebody if you want to get kind of sophisticated and smart, and to know for yourself and for us to know about all stocks. So I'm gonna just play this video, let you guys hear it, and we'll move forward from there. Okay.
On the Toronto Stock Exchange. The co-founder and the CEO of KTYCF Limited, one of our newest listings on the Toronto Stock Exchange, trading under the ticker KITS, KITS. Roger, welcome. It's great to have you here today.
Hi, Ari. Great to be here. Thanks for having us.
So let's talk about KITS. What are the three things that you'd like to highlight about your company and your new listing?
Sure. So we're really excited to have listed on the TMX. KITS is an eye care brand that's been formed primarily to serve the customer today. Many of the brands in eye care were built 30, 40, 50 years ago to serve a different customer. And so we built KITS, a new eye care platform, to serve the customer today, that customer that's mobile savvy, that's ready to transact online in minutes instead of hours, and that's looking for great value. So, and probably the key things to highlight in our business is we've got truly remarkable traction out of the gate with customers. We've got a sizable business very quickly, and an experienced management team that has been here and done similar things in the past to the benefit of shareholders and customers alike.
Well, that sounds like a great combination. How would you sum up the investment proposition for KITS?
Sure. So from an investment standpoint, we're looking to grow both the fulfillment side of our business, the distribution side, build out the manufacturing. As we do that, we think that we will be able to serve customers in this market in a unique way that hasn't been done before. And from there, we see the business growing, we think, pretty impressively over the next couple of years.
Fantastic. So, Roger, what are some of the things that investors can look to come from KITS in terms of news flow or activity over the next year?
Sure, Arnie. Well, KITS is a company that's really translate into EBITDA growth. So over time, we're really excited about growth and earnings, as you'd expect.
Fantastic. I look forward to watching that. One more question. What does being listed on the TSX mean for your company and its stakeholders?
Sure. Well, KITS is a high growth company, and so having that access to capital is really important for a company with this type of growth rate. I think it's exciting also to let shareholders and investors be a part of this story. We're excited to have secured some new large institutional investors, some of the premier investors in Canada, and also allowing other investors to access, including my parents and the other co-founders' parents. We're excited to participate in the IPO and get on board. So, we've got the whole stable of investors here joining us on the run, and of course, you couldn't ask for a better brand behind it than the TMX. So we're super excited.
Roger, thanks for joining me today. Very compelling story. I look forward to watching you on the markets, and welcome to the club. Again, KITS Eye Care Limited, trading on the TSX exchange, trading under the ticker KITS.
So there you go. That's it. That is, I hope that was informative for you guys. I will put their URL on my description below on the YouTube video, so they are being promoted and not looking like I'm taking their information, because that's not what I'm doing, obviously. But I hope that was helpful to you, and that's it for me. I hope you have a good night. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram at TuckerMLO. Check out my blog at #TuxBlog, and on YouTube at Tuck Notes. Look forward to seeing you on another video. See ya.